Hello, we are here in Tigis, Halila, Bohol. We can see three waterfalls that go direct to this ocean, to the sea. This place is wonderful. If you are nature lover, you sure you enjoy this place, where the fresh water meet the salty water and the ocean. Here we go. In success, this beautiful place of art. Oh la la! See the clear water going to the ocean, just like that. Slow and slow and slow and slow. You see the ocean there? Yes, sir. It's a beautiful ocean, but this time it's a low tide. When it's a high tide, it's so beautiful.
Just slow down and see the quiet, gentle magic that happens naturally. The way the light hits softly, the coffee's perfect steam. A scene too sweet for dreaming, better than any dream. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear.
And there's another waterfalls here, the beautiful one. Look at that, it's so beautiful. It's passed through the coconut trees before it going down to the sea. See that? It's so beautiful. The water was so clear. I think you can drink it.
Fortune or fame, it's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. These simple, honest treasures, we collect them one by one. These are the beautiful moments beneath the morning sun. I remember sitting.
This water came from the cave above. The fresh water came from the cave and going down here.
In every single look, no need for grand pronouncements, no need for drama or noise. Just the pure shared existence, filling us with joy.
Here we can see the three waterfalls.
Radio.
That's the first one. Waterfalls.
Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are the quiet anchors that keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second, let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments, we have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection, worth more than fortune or fame. It's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. These simple, honest treasures, we collect them one by one. These are the beautiful moments beneath the morning sun. They don't come wrapped in ribbons or delivered to your door. You have to actively seek them and ask for nothing more, because the true wealth of a lifetime isn't what you earn or spend. It's the memory of these moments that follow to the end.